welcome to Beach Investing. I'm your host, Andre Angelkowski. We're here in Etobicoke. We're in the prime beaches in Toronto, and we're about to look at the most ideal beach property. Hey everyone, welcome to Beach Investing. I'm your host, Andre Angelkowski. We're in the upper beaches in a prime location where my clients, Ely and Christy, have just purchased this property behind me. What their plans are, which you'll see inside, it's in need of a full renovation, but they're going to be creating two separate apartments where they'll be living in one and they'll be renting out the lower. So what I want to show you in this video is what it looks like before, and then we'll show you progress videos and we'll show you ultimately the final reveal of how it looks. So come on in and take a look. You'll see here how the front yard looks. This will all be cleaned up. So come on over here and take a nice look. Ely, are you in here? Hey Ely. Are you here?
Andre, hey bud.
How's it going?
Good man, how you doing?
Awesome.
Come on in.
So you bought this, what is it, a bungalow here?
Yes sir, so this is a bungalow here in the upper beaches. As you guys come into the room, you're gonna notice there's a lot of stuff in here. Again, I wouldn't classify this as dirty. I would say there's a lot of stuff. Obviously need to be cleaned out, but as the saying goes, you need to be able to see the forest through the trees. Now, follow me. I'm gonna show you a couple of neat little things.
Is that a grenade?
It is a grenade. I'm glad you noticed that. We're gonna do a new demo method called a demo by grenade, by the way. So you're gonna see again, it gets a little bit more natural light in the home, even though there's no electricity on. And again, you gotta have that vision, right? That you're gonna be able to build something beautiful out of this home. As of right now, it's a 2-bedroom. And as you walk down on the right, you're gonna notice there's a bedroom to your right. This wonderful, scary.
That's a bedroom?
Yeah, this is a bedroom right here. I believe that's bunk beds in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, decent sized bedroom. You're gonna notice. You're gonna notice some quirky artwork, just to be politically correct. And here's the other bedroom.
Is someone in there?
I hope not. And you're gonna see the bathroom here.
Okay.
All right.
So this is obviously in rough shape.
Yes, definitely in rough shape. Needs a little bit of TLC. Right, and then I'll walk you through a couple more spots here before I'm gonna explain to you what we're planning to do here. So you're gonna see the kitchen over here. Again, this is actually messy. Don't open the fridge.
Well, hydro has not been hooked on for quite a while, right? So
precisely. And then as you watch your step as you're coming downstairs, as the basement's got a bunch of goodies as well.
Okay, so there's a separate entrance here, right behind you.
Yes, sir. Separate entrance is right to the patio. This actually doesn't open. I've tried a few times, so we'll have to fix that.
Okay.
Watch your step. Watch your head.
So upstairs, what did you planning to do a 2-bedroom?
Yes, so we're planning to do a full gut renovation of the entire home. We're going to separate this out into a duplex, legal duplex, may I add. Okay. So the plans of downstairs first is we're going to underpin it to get the legal height. As of right now, and because Andre's tall, don't hit your head, you're going to see it doesn't have the official clearance that we're looking for to get that legal rental status. Right. So as you come in here, you're going to notice there's a lot of stuff in here, more things, more stuff that we need to clear out. And you're going to notice it looks smaller than it is, but I'll say this. Behind that door is an extra room, which is fairly big. And the plan is to have a completely segregated, 2 segregated units, a complete legal duplex, where they'll have their own separate walkout. And from there, we're hoping to rent this bottom place out, and where me and my wife will be living upstairs.
So you guys are living upstairs, and then you'll be renting this place out. And this one will have about approximately 2 bedrooms as well?
Yes, sir. So we're going to do 2 bedrooms down here. What we're trying to do is getting 850 square feet from both the upstairs and downstairs. So downstairs is a bit of a jog once you walk through this door, where it eats up some square footage. So we've got the underpinners to estimate how much it would cost them to take that to the finish line, so we can get the full 850 from the basement. So that's going to be part of our underpinning.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
It's too bad. I don't know if the camera can see this precisely, but like, this is, wow.
Yeah, it's a lot of stuff to throw out, unfortunately. Yeah. And you'll see that it even sinks down a little bit deeper here, and like we get a little bit more height. So there's something going on with the level of the house, so we need to figure that out too.
Yeah.
So there's a few things, there's a few challenges we need to get through.
Okay, so numbers.
Yes.
You're thinking of getting about between $1,600 and $1,800.
Precisely. So I've done a little bit of homework on the Upper Beaches and Beaches area in terms of rental units, and I'm fairly confident between 1,600 to 1,800 should be feasible for the basement unit.
Okay, for a 2-bedroom.
Correct, for a 2-bedroom.
Okay, Ely, I guess we couldn't really breathe in there, and so now that we're outside, just give me some numbers. What did you buy this bungalow for in the Upper Beaches?
So we got the bungalow for $800K.
800,000.
Correct, yes. So I think it was great value. I think we found a gem in the nook of the city. For me, it's a trifecta in terms of transportation. I'm a public commuter, so 15 minutes for the GO station, 15 minutes to Woodbine TTC subway station, or a 4-minute walk south right to Kingston streetcar. So I have 3 options to get to work every day, which is great for me. And on top of the fact, I love the neighborhood, lots of trees, very established, and being only a 15-minute walk to Queen East is a big thing for me. Okay. On top of the fact, we back onto a massive park, which is absolutely beautiful to me, especially for someone that's young in my age looking to start a family. That was a big value add to me, to be able to secure a home at this price point with all these what I'll call amenities that are important to me. Now, everyone has their own checklist of items that they're looking to achieve when they buy their home or their first home, but this one checked everything off the list for us, right?
So 800,000. If you were to, since you're living in the upstairs, if you were not to live in the upstairs, you're looking to create a 2-bedroom apartment there.
Correct.
With potentially, you might even do an addition to make it a 3-bedroom, but for now, let's leave it as a 2-bedroom.
Yes.
Rents, you can probably fetch for that 2-bedroom upstairs between $2,300 and $2,600.
I can confirm that. So I've again, when I've done my research, again, I haven't dug deep yet. My research are online right now. I've seen 1-bedrooms in the Upper Beaches going for $2,200 plus. From Upper Beaches to the beaches, anywhere from $2,200 up to $3,000. Now, considering 2-bedroom, upper unit, backyard plus parking, I think
cathedral ceilings,
potentially, again, because we're assuming we're only going to 2-bedroom, potentially having a loft space for an office area. I think your numbers are absolutely conservative. We can definitely get that, but I wouldn't be shocked if it would be up to $3,000.
Okay, and then the basement we mentioned between 16 and 18.
Precisely, yeah.
So for what you bought it for, and what you plan on putting into it in terms of renovations, did you have an estimate ballpark?
So as of right now, as I'm compiling estimates and numbers and doing my best to put these all together, right now I'm thinking about a $250K budget is feasible to get what we want to do. I'm gonna try to put a $50K buffer to put in my back pocket just in case I need it. So let's just say $300K is the total that I'm planning for. I'm hoping for to get it in or around the $250K mark.
Okay, so you bought yourself a really good property and a long-term and a great investment that's going to put some great equity into your portfolio.
Precisely.
Congratulations to you both, and all the best.
Thank you, Andre.